is the Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus portable power station. I've got the 100 watt solar panel. There it is there. Let me tell you a little bit about it. I'm not a technical person. I'm more of a just do shit. We're going to try welding. I've already ran this whole bloody shed, which I've done before with other ones. But I'm actually going to run the whole backyard at night time just to see what this crazy bloody thing can do. Righto, let's get into it. Rightio, so we're going to try and get through this as quick as possible and get into the good stuff. So this is a 3000 watt max output. It will do the surge up to 6000. The capacity is 2042 watt hours. There's your display there. You've got your input, your output. This actually has an app and you can Bluetooth to it and all that kind of shit, but I'm not going to get into that. So we've got a DC here, so your cigarette bloody lighter thing in there. Boom. 2 USB-A, 18 watt max. 2 USB-C, love the USB-Cs. They're 100 watt max. This button here basically now turns on your DC, and well, you can have both on, and this is your AC side. So we've got 3 Australian plugs that we can plug into this. And what does it say? Each AC 330 volt, 10 amp, total 3000 watt pure sine wave. Right, on the side you've got a vent there, a vent here. This I think is about 35 kilograms. It comes with wheels, which is brilliant. On the back there, so this actually can be expandable. So you've got your DC expansion port, so you can get batteries that you'll sit on the top, plug it into here, and that gives you a whole lot more, what do you call it, volume or whatever. On this side is all your inputs. So that's where that's the reset. That's where you plug it into the wall. That's where you plug that into your, what do you call it, solar power. I didn't show the unboxing. This thing was packed brilliant, beautifully. I loved how they did all the packing. So there's your wheels there, and boom, look at that. So just simple, as you would have seen in the intro, me bloody wheeling that in. So with something, oh, where is it? There it is. With something as heavy as this, you want one of those handles. So that was really good that they actually included that in it. Right, just move that out of the way. This, I was really impressed. This is, what do you call it? Magnetic. It closes magnetic. I really like that. Simply open it up. Where's the, on the, hang on, we'll do it this way. On the side there are these little bloody Velcro flappos, like that. Hey presto, gives you that. It's just simple. I just love how simple. You know me guys, I love simple. Boom, carried away. So they've also got on the side here, that there, as you can see, there's also a little envelope in there, but that basically just hooks into the back of that. Simple, tidy, done. Now they also have a little pouch. I mean, this is the thing, they do everything really bloody good quality. There's your jug lead to get you to power that if you want to do it without the solar panel. You've got your user manual, and then, so you're not getting locked just to the Jackery system. You can use other things to hook up into that, and they have all the little adapters to be able to do that with other products. Yeah, so that is for going in that DC to do whatever you do with that shit. Rightio, so let's get into testing out using this thing. Quickly now, here is Naomi blow drying her hair. Now this is one of the big things when we go camping. She can't use her dryer with the other batteries that we have. But with this thing, no problem whatsoever. Hey, you got to keep the missus happy. Righto guys, I'm going to use this angle grinder. I just used it, but as you can see, I did a dodgy cut because I was stuff-assing around. So we're going to do that. I'm going to do that again for you. My idea is I'm going to cut this and then weld it back together. So, Jackery's on. Plug it in. Turn the AC on. Whatever. Switch her on. Geez, that's a shitty bloody cut that is again. So there you go guys. You could be grinding for bloody hours. Okay guys, just for shits and giggles, you'll see I've got two of these bloody doodads. I'm going to turn both of them on. In actual fact, I've got to turn the AC back on. So, get that one running. So we've got both of these machines are running. Got to clean these up. Righto, that's bloody done the job. Now we've got to do is weld these back together. Righto guys, so I am not a professional bloody MIG welder. Jackery's on, power's on. This is a Zito MWR 090 gasless MIG welder. Let's see if we can get, so first thing is turn it on. What does that do? Nothing. Righto. Been a while since I've done some welding. Hey presto, it works! Wow! I've tried that. I've tried welding with some of the other ones that I've got and it won't do it. Shit, I blew holes in it. Told you I wasn't a bloody professional welder. But, there you go. Hey presto. I've got to turn that down, I think. Back to there. See how that does it. Look at that. There you go. Boom. Obviously a shit welder, I know, but that's just straight off the cuff. Boom. That Jackery is awesome. There you go guys, so I've just quickly bloody set that up, got the cable, just whacked it in the back and it's starting to bloody charge. So we'll have a closer look. There you go guys, so that's getting 94, it was getting 95. That's the inlets, so what they're saying is 5 hours and that'll fill that back up. So obviously if this was really empty, it's going to take a long time to bloody fill it up. But topping up, brilliant. So it's not quite getting the 100 because, I don't know if you can see, there's some shadows and bits and pieces popping over it. And it's 4:35, so it's late afternoon sun. Brilliant. Well, there you go, guys. Now, don't forget, tonight I'm going to go out and we're going to light this backyard. So we've got this whole garage will be powered purely from this. Naomi's woodshed, the man cave, lighting, we'll get the TV going. We'll even use her big, gigantic, bloody chopping saw thing. So that's coming up. So go to au.jackery.com. That's the Australian thing. This particular one has just been released here. There are videos of this in America. There's one particular guy that does all the tests. Like he gets amps and he listens for the noise and the pews. Yeah, he gets into all the technical stuff. And this actual unit, I think it rated #1 out of all the ones. He has this whole spreadsheet and he works out how he does it. So when I saw that, that's when I said, yep, send me this. I'll do a review on it. Because straight away, as soon as I listened to that guy, I went, this is obviously bloody good shit. For me, I don't get right into the technical. As long as I can, like welding, grinding. We had a power outage here because they were upgrading something to do with the lines. So all day, I think it was like 9 AM till, I think it was like 3:45 in the afternoon, we had no power. So because I do a lot of computer work and stuff like that, I put this inside. I hooked up the NBN router to it and the computer. I was all day, not a problem at all. So this actually, if you go to the website, they explain everything on there, what this can do. It even can function as a UPS in your house. If you've got sensitive stuff, it'll just automatically kick in. The guy that I watched, he tested all that. It was perfect. It has the apps and the Bluetooth and what you can control. I just want to plug something in and use it. That's it. If that's what it does. So you can run your fridge on it, you can run AC, you can weld with it, you can boil a kettle, you can toast your toast, you can use a microwave with this crazy bloody thing. So I'm loving it. But alright, I won't go anymore. See you tonight. Rightio guys, now it's time to do the light show. Now I'm on the handheld cam, but this is the garage. We've got all these lights up here. There's lights all over the bloody joint. I'll spin around. All lit up through there, but then when we come out here, and I've got the backyard, we've got lights there, lights over there, go over to Nay's wood shop, so that's all lit up in there, and then of course into the man cave, all the lighting and bits and pieces around here. So what I've got to show you first, just to prove this, is we're a bit of a dodgy setup here, but this one switch here is a main line from the house, and that's what feeds everything out here in the backyard. So if I do this, boom, there's only one light here. Oh, actually that one runs off it too, and that one, damn it. But that whole shed is gone, and also the man cave, it's only a couple of lights. So what we've got to do now is pull that out of there, turn this on, plug that in there. Trying to do this bloody one-handed, guys. Here we go, in there, turn the power on, and hopefully we should. Boom! So all this is lit up. All the man cave is lit up. And of course, obviously this outside light and all the shed. So that's pretty impressive. And then obviously there's some extra lights I can put on. Put on some big ones. These big ones I use when I'm working on the bikes, so they're on either side of them. I could even turn this big one on. That big thing for doing the videos. Yeah, so what are we pulling is the question. Oh, so there you go. So that's only 420 watts. But it kind of like gives you an idea of what this bloody So how long is that going to last? 30. I can run that for 30. I could run all this for 33 hours, hopefully. Oh, there you go. I should have had my short lookers on. 3.3 hours at 85%. Bloody 33 hours, crazy. Well, there you go. So I could put all the TVs on. I could do shitloads more. Let's see. I said I was gonna bloody use this big thing. That'll be interesting. See if I can do it. Hang on. Yeah, nice piece of wood. Shut that so the bloody neighbours don't crack the shits. Hey, that is crazy. That sucks a lot of bloody power, this thing. You can hear the fan going in there. There you go. Bloody brilliant. No problems whatsoever. Well, there you go, guys. So that is the Jackery Solar Generator, the, what do they call it? The Explorer 2000 Plus. So I think the Explorer part of it is that it comes with these solar panels. Now, they're having a Black Friday sale in the middle of November, most probably when this video is coming out, and you can buy it as a pack, and they've got huge discounts. Obviously, it's Black Friday sale. So what is it? It's a big, huge battery, tons and tons of power to draw out of it. You've got a 3,000 watt inverter built into it. Got all the, you know, it tells you all the bloody stuff. You've got all your DC shit. It can be used as a UPS, so if you've got sensitive equipment and you're having power outs. Now, I don't know, whoever's listening to this, if you're in Australia, I reckon this summer we might start having some blackouts. What they're doing with the power grid, but you know, whatever. It's on wheels. It's got the handy bloody doodad. I don't know. Let you watch this. Boom! Love doing that. Righto, I reckon that's all I can tell you guys about it. Now, me and Angus, we do a podcast. The next podcast that we're doing, it'll actually most probably come out before this. But anyway, we will have done a podcast where this runs this whole garage, including all the sensitive equipment that I run, computers, the Rode wireless bloody music board shit, whatever. We'll be doing that, running it solely off this. Righto guys, hopefully that was informative. If you're in the market for one, I'd give it a thumbs up. I mean, the fact that I could do welding off it just blew me away. Righto guys, remember, keep on riding. If you ain't riding, keep on keeping on.